my body wants to be stuck. What does that mean? Does that mean that my body has a different language to how I'm talking to you? Are we not on the same page? So what is this language? And at that point, to me, it was equivalent to Japanese. So as I'm exploring this idea that my body has this language, or my soul, as I later found out, has this language that it's speaking to me, but I don't understand it. And I made a decision in that moment that I was going to discover and understand this language, right? It was a decision. And in making this decision, something happened that I definitely didn't understand at the time, but understood later, which was my thinking. And we have to look at the centers in our body. So my thinking aligned with my feelings, which is the center around the heart and the solar plexus, with my will, which is around the center around my sacral. And this is connected to my hip area and my legs. It was like, I am going to heal myself. That's the thought that came into my head. I didn't know how, had no idea how. I just knew that I was going to do it and that I was aligned.